Hi everyone. In my earlier video of uBlock origin, while loading it to Google Chrome, the users are experiencing this error. So this video is the final fix to the issue. So I'll be starting it from the scratch just to test that everything works well. So you can ignore this downloading of Google Chrome if you're already running on the latest version. So the version of Google Chrome that is getting installed is the one that is shown in the screen. Now search for services and open it. From here, you need to locate all the services of Google Chrome and Google Updater. Once you locate them, simply double click on the service. On the startup type, select disabled and save the change. Now you have to do it for all the services you see here. Once done, now go to the properties of your Google Chrome. Now in the target path, go to the end of the line, put a space using the space bar, go to the video description and copy this line from there and paste it in the target and save the change. Now open Chrome. Search for uBlock origin GitHub. From the search results, go to the specific web page. Now on the right hand side, under releases, click on latest. Now scroll down the page and under assets, download the first file. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the file. Once extracted, open the folder and make sure it has these contents. Now simply cut this folder. Go to your C drive and paste it. Now open Google Chrome. Click on these three dots. Go to extensions, then manage extensions. The right hand side corner, turn on the developer mode. Then click on load unpacked. Now locate the folder you pasted just now in C drive. And that's it. uBlock origin will start working again. You can clear all these warnings from time to time. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.